Hello friends, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine. Will be well. Almighty keep you all happy and keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs to people in the all designs that I am sharing with you. That today all new designs be brought to you channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get my ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. Keep your for guys, so I keep you similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how can you like our videos. If you want to watch my any videos related to, visit my channel Crochet Lovers, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show to someone else see, and you can make a similar design. Is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. Today video is amazing. Video is a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss off the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will sharing with you and different designs. We will keep sharing with you and all kind of fashion related. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in a next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Take care. Will remember in prayer, and bye.